Hello beauties, welcome again to Wendy Styles. I will have a style that will make you to really celebrate your tightly coiled textures, This hairstyle is a style that will really make you appreciate your short natural hairstyles, and it's a style that will really help give you the texture you want and make you look as beautiful as you want. This is a style that will even help you to make your morning routine, so simple, and it really shows how quick and manageable short hair can really be. So it will boost your confidence, because confidence grows when life always feels easier. Don't forget to accessorize, you can use some beautiful scarves, earrings that will help you to look so gorgeous, because accessories enhance short natural hairstyle, because style is just all about expression, not the length. So this hairstyle will boost your confidence and will help you look so beautiful and give you that bold look you want. Have this at the back of your mind, that your hair does not define your competence. So this is a style that is sweat friendly, and is a style that will help you to embrace that natural hair even in active settings. So strength and beauty, they always go hand in hand. So I love the style, because whether you're a single lady or you're a single mama, you can rock the style for that beautiful date you want to go for. And it's a style that will help you show up that authentic posture, because you can see that the right people will always appreciate you as you are, and that confidence that you have within will attract that right energy when you go out for that date. So it's a style that helps to overcome all those little insecurities. It will help you to boost your confidence. It's a style that will help you to overcome those hair insecurities. And good takes time, but self-love will really help a lot. So I really want you guys to please watch this video to the end. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to use the right products that will help to boost your hair health. Thank you everyone for listening. God bless you guys, and see you in my next upload. My baby Jawa, my baby Jawa, my baby Jawa, my baby Jawa. Hello beauties, welcome to Wendy Styles. I want you guys to please check out the celebrity inspired short natural style. This is a style that will help to make you feel so beautiful even without imitating any kind of pressure. It's a style that is adaptable, and one thing about the style is that it's a style that will help you, that it's easy to style. It's a wash and go style. All I want you to have in mind is that moisturizing is just the key to maintaining this hair, and it's a protective style that will help to protect your hair overnight. So one thing I love about the style too is a style that really adjusts those routine of heat, cold or humidity. Adaptability is key when it comes to hair, like this, just like in life. So this is a style that will really reduce shrinkage, and it's a kind of style that will really boost your health, and it's a style that will really take many years of your age. So I would want you guys to please check out the rest of the styles we have for you. This is a style that will always boost your confidence and help to make you wear it so beautifully and boldly. I would advise you just to rock your short natural hair so proudly, and most importantly, wear it just for you. So I would like you guys to please watch this video to the end. If it's your first time here, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, hit the notification bell to always be notified whenever we upload a new video. And let us know your minds in the comment section below. God bless you guys, and see you in my next upload. Bye.
I don't really mind them, just they whiny. Many girls try to whine you. Maybe not go whine them, just they whiny. Many girls try to whine me. I don't really mind them, just they whiny. Many girls try to whine you. Maybe not go whine them, just they whiny. So me say, Joe, look into my eyes, oh baby, Joe, will it be my heart, baby, Joe, yeah, Joe, look into my eyes, oh baby, will it be my heart, baby, Joe, my baby, Joe, my baby, Joe, my baby, my baby, One time the request of 42 person web on you. I never want try lose you, try them no on me. Well, I know fit tire for your matter like say I know do. Suddenly man down for only you. Many men they try to harm me. I know really man them just they whiny. Many girls try to whine you. Maybe not go whine them, just the whiny. Many guys they try to whine me. I don't really mind them, just the whiny. Many girls they try to whine you. Maybe not go whine them, just the whiny. So me say, Joe, look into my eyes, oh baby, Joe.